2019 from DIY Fabrications family to yours. Hope you all had a fantastic holiday. No complaints on my end. Had a couple of big life changes. Baby number 3 has finally arrived. Olivia Rose is here. Mommy is doing well. Baby's doing well. These bags of my eyes are just going to keep getting bigger and bigger. But anyways, quick updates on the shop. Not a lot has happened. As you can imagine, baby taking a lot of the time. That and I kind of screwed up the other day. So, you see where there's supposed to be a bolt there? Fortunately, I decided to take the bigger is better approach, and, well, there's the bolt. So, I unfortunately snapped that thing clear in half and had to order another one. U.S. Postal Service lost the first one. Great. And hopefully I've got another one coming. As soon as I can get up and running, then I can start building the other table for this side and keep on rolling the shop and give you guys some updates. I apologize. All right, so one last update I did want to give for you guys tonight is that over the holiday break, I did something that will hopefully help broaden this channel a little bit. While, you know, we will do a lot of fabricating in the shop once it's built. One of the other parts to this channel is actually going to be maintaining and the installation of things. So I went ahead and actually bought a new car. And it's a car that I know really well, and I think that will help us out with some of these installations. But you know, the concept of the installs was actually, you know, something that you can use across different manufacturers. But that being said, we'll be doing installations on a new vehicle that I bought, and if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen photos of it. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do. My name is DIY Fabrications. I tend to get information out a little bit quicker on there because it's short bursts versus doing the videos. But without further ado, here is my brand new 2019 Subaru WRX STI. Hopefully we can use this vehicle to help teach you guys how to maintain certain things, how to install certain things. And I've got a laundry list of projects that I want to do to the vehicle. It's just going to take time. Right now the shop is obviously the main project I need to get working on here. But if it's something that I can help you guys out with, please, you know, reach out to me, DIYfabrications@gmail.com. If you have a vehicle that you would like to try and work on, as long as you're willing to film it, I'm all for it. And just keep in mind, you know, we'll have to do some learning along the way, but if we can teach other people to do it, I'm down. So that being said, hope you guys have yourself a great start to 2019. I look forward to building a lot of projects with you guys, whether it's cars, tables, you name it. I say let's get to work. Take care.